Welcome to the Animals and Nature Quiz. We have 30 questions for you today. Let's see how many you can get right. Get ready. What is the fastest land animal in the world? The answer is cheetah. The cheetah can reach speeds of up to 120 kilometers per hour in short bursts. What is the largest mammal on Earth? The answer is blue whale. The blue whale can grow up to 30 meters long and weigh as much as 200 tons. How many legs does a spider have? The answer is 8. All spiders have exactly 8 legs, which is what distinguishes them from insects that have 6. Which bird is known for its ability to mimic human speech? The answer is parrot. Parrots can mimic human speech because of their highly developed vocal learning ability. What is the tallest animal in the world? The answer is giraffe. Giraffes can grow up to 5.5 meters tall, with their necks alone reaching nearly 2 meters. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? The answer is lion. Lions are called the king of the jungle due to their majestic mane and role as apex predators. What is the largest species of shark? The answer is whale shark. The whale shark can grow up to 12 meters long and is actually a gentle filter feeder, not a predator. Which insect is known for producing honey? The answer is honeybee. Honeybees produce honey by collecting nectar from flowers and storing it in their hives. How long can a tortoise live? The answer is up to 200 years. Some giant tortoises have been documented living over 190 years, making them among the longest-lived animals. Which mammal can truly fly? The answer is bat. Bats are the only mammals capable of sustained flight, using their membrane-covered wings. What is a group of wolves called? The answer is pack. Wolves live in social groups called packs, usually consisting of a family unit of 6 to 10 members. Which animal has the longest migration route? The answer is Arctic tern. The Arctic tern migrates from Arctic to Antarctic and back each year, covering about 70,000 kilometers. What is the most venomous snake in the world? The answer is inland taipan. The inland taipan of Australia has venom potent enough to kill 100 adult humans with a single bite. How many hearts does an octopus have? The answer is 3. An octopus has 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, and 1 pumps it to the rest of the body. Which animal produces the loudest sound? The answer is sperm whale. Sperm whales can produce clicks up to 230 decibels, making them the loudest animals on Earth. What is the largest living reptile? The answer is saltwater crocodile. Saltwater crocodiles can grow over 6 meters long and weigh more than 1,000 kilograms. Which tree is the tallest species in the world? The answer is coast redwood. Coast redwoods in California can grow over 115 meters tall, making them the tallest trees on Earth. What do pandas primarily eat? The answer is bamboo. Giant pandas eat almost exclusively bamboo, consuming up to 38 kilograms of it per day. Which animal has the best sense of smell? The answer is bear. Bears have the best sense of smell of any land animal, able to detect food from over 30 kilometers away. What is the largest species of penguin? The answer is emperor penguin. Emperor penguins stand up to 1.2 meters tall and can weigh up to 45 kilograms. Which flower is the largest in the world? The answer is Rafflesia. The Rafflesia arnoldii can grow up to 1 meter across and is famous for its terrible rotting smell. How many species of dolphins exist? The answer is about 40. There are about 40 known species of dolphins, ranging from the small Maui dolphin to the large orca. Which animal sleeps the most hours per day? The answer is koala. Koalas sleep up to 22 hours per day to conserve energy, since their eucalyptus diet is very low in nutrition. What is the only continent where giraffes live in the wild? The answer is Africa. Giraffes are native only to Africa, living in savannas and open woodlands south of the Sahara. Which ocean creature can regenerate lost arms? The answer is starfish. Starfish can regrow lost arms over several months, and some species can regenerate an entire body from one arm. What is the fastest bird in the world? The answer is peregrine falcon. The peregrine falcon can reach speeds over 380 kilometers per hour during its hunting dive. Which animal has the thickest fur? The answer is sea otter. Sea otters have up to 1 million hair follicles per square inch, the densest fur of any animal. How many stomachs does a cow have? The answer is 4. Cows have 4 stomach compartments that help them digest tough plant materials through fermentation. Which insect can carry 50 times its own body weight? The answer is ants can carry 10 to 50 times their own body weight, thanks to their powerful muscles relative to their size. What is the largest rainforest in the world? The answer is Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest covers about 5.5 million square kilometers and produces 20% of the world's oxygen. Thanks for watching the Animals and Nature quiz. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button and subscribe for more quizzes. See you in the next one.